Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to enable the grid lines on this device, so how to turn them on or off. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and now all we have to do is simply make sure that we are on the photo mode, and we are, so we can tap on the settings in the left upper corner, so let's do it. And as you can see on the very first position in the useful features section, we've got grid. So in order to activate this feature, simply tap on the switcher right here, and from now on it should be turned on. So we can go back to the camera and check, and I hope that you can see it. All the grid lines has been applied successfully. So if you'd like to take some harmonious photos or apply the rule of thirds, then you're welcome, you can do it right now. What's very important, the grid lines are visible only on the camera, so after taking a picture, let me do it, and checking the preview, you cannot see the grid lines, so it's quite important to know. And if you are done with the grid lines, and if you'd like to turn them off, just go back to the settings, let's tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn off the grid lines. Let's get it back, and as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the grid lines in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.